Did I use too much, y'all? Probably, child. Did I? What's a given? I pulled up and rolled up. Hey y'all. Not me coming back after not posting nothing for a year with a makeup video. Anyway, I want to just kind of find like some everyday, like I guess like some everyday like makeup products. So I don't really I love seeing people do makeup. I love seeing people wear makeup. I think it's just like a will thing, honestly. Like I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. But I do like blush. I love lip products. Like, actually, funny enough, I don't know if I mentioned this in any other videos, but I used to want just a YouTube channel just to try lip products, lip gloss, lip liners, lipsticks, lip balms, whatever. Any lip product, any lip product, I used to just want to try. But then I just, wanted to do vlogs, so whatever. But I want to try like some everyday stuff, but I'm really sticking to like, I don't want to try anything that's going to have me needing 5 to 10 brushes per application. Like, I don't care. I want it to be as minimal as possible. I want it all to be like very good for my skin, vegan. All right, so I bought pretty much each item from LYS Beauty. It's cruelty-free, no animal testing. It's clean formulas, SLS-free, talc-free, fragrance-free, mineral oil-free, gluten-free. It's vegan, and it's all plant-based ingredients. Honestly, for my skin, like, that's just what I want. The number one reason why I gravitated toward this brand, not only because it's vegan and it's clean and stuff, but it was founded by a Black woman, Tisha Thompson. Hey, Miss Tisha Thompson, and I don't know, that just made me feel good about it. So let's jump right in. So I used the Sephora app to I didn't even open it, y'all. Here's a box. So I used the Sephora app to help me find my shade. I guess we can start, and before I put any makeup on, I'm just gonna spray my aroma water toner. It's from Lush. This is kind of what I'm like most excited about. So it's the LYS. It's their Triple Fix Serum Foundation with hyaluronic acid, turmeric, and ashwagandha. And the shade I got is TG6. I'm excited. I hope it match. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so salty if it don't match me. This is going to be so salty. Okay. Everything feels so luxe. Can y'all see? Can you see? Okay. I feel like this is my shade, y'all. Let's see. I'm shaking it. I went to Ulta the other day, well, yesterday, and bought the little Ulta brand sponges because I don't have no brushes or no sponges, so I needed something real quick. Let's see, y'all. I'm scared. Should I move up? All right. What y'all think is gonna give? All right. No. It's too light. I think this too light, y'all. Yeah, this is a little too light. Yeah, it's too light. How many times I'm gonna say it? Okay, but it's too light. Okay, washed my face. All right, let's go into the bronzer. Let's go into the bronzer, y'all. I love her packaging. It's really nice. This is the, oh, that's me. This is the bronzer, and this shit is nice. It's so nice. Do I use a brush? Is it powder? So it is a powder bronzer. I think I do have a little brush. I think it's this one. I don't want to use it and then I could just wipe it off. I was gonna say I don't want to use it and then use it for the highlighter. But remember, I told y'all the goal for me is to just have stuff that I can just quickly like, oh, open and, you know, real quick. So I'm using bronzer and see. So bronzer, people be putting it up here. Why does my hand look broken? It looks cool. It was nice. I liked that. I appreciated it. Beautiful packaging. So let's get into the blushes. This is Passion. It's like a really pretty like pink, like a hottie pink color. The next one is Inspire. It's giving me like a little orange, purdy. And last but not least, we have Empower. I don't know which one this was. Oh, this was like a, I would call this like a, I don't know, it's giving me like terracotta. It's giving me like, not even like a burgundy type of, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Now I told y'all the swatches. I think I'm going with Passion, this one right here. That pink one, because I really like this color right here in my shirt. And I think this matches it the best. I think I can use my fingers. I'm gonna use my little dab. I'm just dabbing it in. This is such a pretty color. All right, where do blush go? Not me. Look like chainsaw blade. All right, like right here. Ooh, not me, flat. I don't. Please disregard the finger, for real. Is that too much blush? I don't want to give y'all a clown. All right, I'm gonna use the to blend it in a little bit. Did I use too much, y'all? Probably, child. Did I? What's a given? I still feel like it's too much. Do y'all like it? What's a given? I wish this was in real time so like y'all could really tell me what is given for real, because I don't know what is given. I'm gonna just take a little bit off with this. I think it's given. I really think it's given. So the next things I'm gonna try are the highlighters. I'm excited for this. The highlighters, I have Genuine, Brave, and Fearless. Fearless is like the bronzy one right here. This one is the golden one, Brave. And then this one is Genuine. All right, so this is the Aim High Brave blush, the one in the middle. Here we go right here. Is it? Okay, yeah. This is it right here. So this is the adjacent, this is the powder, and this is the liquid. All right, I got a little bit. Can y'all see? I don't know what is, come on. See this, I hate when braids do that. I hate when masks do that too. You put it on and it just don't want to do nothing you say. Okay. I'm gonna put that right there and then I'm gonna just use the little spongy. Okay. These feel nice. They don't feel heavy. They don't feel like, I don't know, like they just feel nice. All right, I'm just gonna blend it like a little bit with this. Yo, what is it giving? So I went and got my mirror. I'm gonna just blend it out in here just to see, because I can't really tell on there. And I think it's because it's like far away. So I'm gonna just do it on here. Hold on, y'all. Okay. I think what I'm looking for, these aren't what I'm looking for, but I like them. Y'all, I don't know. Okay, that's just the theme of this channel. I don't know, but let's figure it out. Because I don't know. Ooh, this looks like it's nosh. So this is the lip product. It's called, the name of it is Speak Love. It's a glossy lip treatment oil. Okay. Oh, I like the way it feels. It doesn't have a smell or anything. Actually, wait, hold up. If you grew up getting your little lip glosses from the hair store, this is very reminiscent. Okay. Okay. The only thing I really can see on my face right now is blush. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. I really do like that lip balm. It's not thick, but you can tell it's like comforting, like y'all know what I mean. Honestly, as crazy as this is about to sound, even though the only products that I'm leaving out of this really keeping, and I wouldn't even say liking, because I like all of these products, they just did not work for me. The highlighter is beautiful, they didn't work for me. That's not what I'm looking for that like quick, minimal, on the go makeup. Like these are like above the level that I'm looking for, but they're still really nice. The foundation wasn't my shape, but I still liked it. What else was it? The highlighter powder's nice. Just, I'm not really looking for powder. I kind of just want everything to be cream and liquid. And that is about it. I don't know, so what does it, like, what is it giving? Like, is it giving y'all anything? Can y'all see the blush? What can y'all see? I don't know. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so happy that I did it. I feel really good. And I really hope y'all liked it. And then in an upcoming vlog, I'll just explain everything that has transpired and why I really haven't been on YouTube. That sounds really dramatic, and nothing dire happened, I swear. But I'm excited to be back, and I hope y'all are excited to see me. So please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that like button. That's it. Thank you so much for being here again, and if you are new here, welcome to Explore with Nora, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.